Trucking claims are often more difficult than simple motor vehicle claims. The reason is because there are specific federal regulations involved in trucking claims. Trucking companies often have a series of policies and procedures that have to be reviewed and analyzed in order to determine fault against that trucking company or the driver of that particular truck. Trucking companies are often represented by big insurance companies, which make it very difficult to bring trucking accident claims. So if you're involved in a trucking accident case, contact a lawyer immediately to begin helping you navigate your way through that claim.